Welcome to Moments of Calm, a precious exchange with your heart. To begin, find an appropriate place that is comfortable and you feel supported. You may sit upright or lie down. Place your hands on your lap or naturally by your side. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax your eyes to close. Allow your breath to be soft and easy. All thoughts are now melting away as the soft awareness of relaxation gently moves through your body. Now take a deep breath. Breathe deeply and exhale through the mouth. Sense a deeper relaxation and a deeper silence within your body as it responds to the peace, the calm, you feel completely relaxed. Your senses are responding to the flow of energy and the oneness. There is a new sense of awareness, perhaps the awakened spirit within you is eager to explore. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, simply sink into the support beneath you. Stay with me now as we begin together. Place your hand on your heart. And in your mind, ask your heart center, what, if anything, do you sense right now? Your heart will express, it will embrace. I will give you a moment to enjoy this precious exchange. Feel the embrace from your heart. Sense the beauty, the knowing, and the warm sensation whatever is appropriate for you is right. This precious exchange, this embrace, this soft warmth, the familiar knowing, your heart is responding with gentle waves to embrace you. Hold this precious exchange within your body. This warm moment of calm that is uplifting. It is reassurance. It is totally surrounding you. Permeating every atom, cell, and electron in your body. Your heart is holding you in this precious moment.